Alright, so today I have this mobile charger here that's not working at all. Let me plug it in and test it with my phone. No, it's not charging. First I want to make sure the cable isn't the issue. So I'm using another charger head to test this same cable. And yes, the cable works fine. The cable works fine. That means the problem is definitely inside the charger itself. Now let's open it up. This charger doesn't have any screws, so I'm using a tester to carefully pry it open. Here it is. This is the main internal circuit board of the charger. Now I'm going to take the components one by one using a multimeter. This resistor right here isn't showing any reading. It could be broken or burnt. Let me remove this one from the circuit. By the way, I'll put the part number and resistance value of these components in the description so you can check that later if you need it. Oh looks, this one is broken too. Let's take it out as well. Now I'm testing the rest of the components. Most of them are fine. Capacitor, diodes, etc. all seem okay. These two resistors are removed, the main reason this charger stopped working. So now I'm going to replace them with new ones. Let's solder them in place carefully. You have to be really careful while soldering because if the joints touch each other, it can short the circuit. Now that the soldering is done, I'm cleaning the backside of the PCB with a bit of thinner. This helps to remove the flux and avoid future issues. Okay, time to close it up. I'll use some glue to seal the case. And now for the final test. Let's plug it in and try charging again. Yes, it's working perfectly now. Charger repaired successfully. Thanks for watching. If you liked the repair, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more electronic fixes. Thank you.